How to turn on or turn off auto capitalization on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can turn on or turn off auto capitalization on iPhone. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to enable or disable the auto capitalization, simply open up your iPhone and head into the settings. Once under settings, scroll down and you shall see the general option. Tap on general. Once on general, again scroll down and find the keyboard option and tap on it. Under keyboard, down below, you should see the option auto capitalization. So you can see it's enabled. If it is green, it's toggled on. To toggle it off, you simply have to tap the switch and it'll be toggled off, or if you want to toggle it on, tap on it again and it'll be toggled on. So this is how you can easily enable or disable auto capitalization on iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.